Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day, and today I want to share with you if you're having audio issues with your GoPro recording and in Camtasia in both 2020 and 2021. Now, there's both of these versions. You can adjust the audio to make it sound better, but there is a little bit of a difference that I noticed in the way it's set up. So, first of all, as you can see here, and let me go ahead and start playing it for you so you'll hear it's very loud and it just doesn't sound good at all. So it's clearly very loud. Got a really cool effect there, by the way. And I've been recording these beautiful birds. And so I reached out and I asked them what to do. So here, first I'll show you in the 2021, what they had suggested was to separate the audio and video, and then just highlight on the audio and click this, uncheck this auto normalize loudness, and you can see now it's the recording levels of what the camera recorded, so it sounds a whole lot better. Now I want to share with you there is another way to do it and without having to separate it, and let me go ahead and undo, and I'm going to undo again, and that is if you come to the project, you come to project settings, right here is the auto normalize loudness. Just uncheck the box and it will do the same thing. So there you go. So this is in version 2021. Now in Camtasia 2020, if you were to separate the audio and the video, you'll see there is, if I just highlight just the audio, you'll see there is no box to check. So in this case, what you want to do, again, you don't have to separate the audio and video unless you only want a certain, section of it where the audio you want to normalize it. So let me go ahead and undo it back again. All right, so it's together. And again, all you do is come into the project, the settings, uncheck the auto normalize loudness, and now you just play it, and there you go. And it just starts playing at a normal level. So there you go. Wanted to share this with you. Let me know if you have any questions regarding this, but glad I figured it out. You don't need handbrake, just adjust the loudness and you should be good to go. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.